YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Josh back with another video. And on this video, I got a clean taper. I want you guys to see it came out super nice. It's super blended, super blurry, no lines. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I want to let you guys know that I have a giveaway coming up at 20K subscribers for the White FX Rob the Original Clippers. If you want to be one of the winners, if you want to, not one of the winners, if you want to be the winner of this clipper, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be dropping a video soon on how to win or how to enter to win my giveaway. So if you're not subscribed, you're going to miss out, because you're not going to see the video, you're not going to get a notification. So if you want to do that, make sure to subscribe. But let's hop right into this video. Stay tuned. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Josh back with another video. And like I said, on this video, we're going to be giving him a taper. And as you can see, he has really good curly hair with the waves on top. So let's hop right into this cut. So right now we're going to be combing through his hair, lifting his hair up off the scalp. The purpose of me lifting his hair up off the scalp is to lift the hair up so the guard can catch the hair. When it's laid down, it's going to be hard for the clippers to catch the hair if it's not lifting up off the skin. So I started taking his hair down with a number 3 guard. I started with a number 3 guard because I didn't want to cut too much. He said that he realized that he wanted to keep his hair longer, so we started to use bigger guards. So midway through this process, I'm going to have my number 2 guard on. I started off with my number 3 guard, but he said he could go a little bit lower. So I put on my number 2 guard, and I think I had it all the way open. If not, it was closed, but either way it goes, I had his hair the height that he wanted it to. So just sit back and watch. Right now I have my number 2 guard on. I don't know if you guys caught when I switched it. I had a little like pause moment, but I switched the guard. So now I have my number 2 guard on, just laying his hair down. So right now I'm going to be going in with my number 3 guard, and I'm just going to be removing some bulk in the areas that I'm going to be fading in. Removing bulk will help you see your area better, so it won't be too much hair in the way. You know, it's easier to fade when it's less, thick. It's really easier to fade. Starting off this fade, we're going to be setting in our first guideline, which is the bald line with my Babyliss Skeleton FX trimmers. And I'm setting it in as a hard line, but I'm going to come back and just hit the bottom of it and soften it up, so it won't be such a hard line to get out when blending. So in this video, I'm going to be using my Cordless Andis Masters, and I'm setting in my next guideline with the clippers all the way open, going up about ½ an inch. When working with my Andis Masters, taking out that first guideline, I have to walk my way down. So right now I have the Andis Masters halfway open. And then as I fade the line out, I close it slowly, and that blends the line out perfectly. So right now I have my Andis number 2 double magnetic guard on, and I'm just fading up into the bulky area of the fade. And now I'm going to be working my way down. So right now I have my number 2 guard on, like I said, and next I'm going to come with my 1.5. So right now I have my Andis Masters with my 1.5 guard on, and I'm just fading right behind that number 2 guard, and we're just going to be fading down. So the smaller the guard gets, the lower we are going in the fade. So as I switch guards, I'm going lower. I'm not fading up as high because I will be setting new guidelines. So right now I have my Andis 1 guard on with it all the way open, and I'm just hitting that 1.5 guard area. So right now I just closed it. I have my Masters number 1 guard on all the way closed, and as you fade down, you will see it start to blend. As you can see, it's blending. So we're just going to be putting on my 0 guard now, and I'm just going to be coming right behind that number 1 guard, and as you can see, we're getting this line out. So just keep watching. So right here I'm just doing some detail work with no guard on, and I'm just going to be hitting the lines I see, little dark areas, to better perfect this fade. And doing things like this, detail work, is what sets you apart. So right now I'm going to be doing clipper over comb to finish off this taper, blending into the top, into the rest of the longer hair, which we are blending into. And this will help keep it not too high when you're blending, because a lot of people will pick up guards and push the fade up too high. So right now we're going to be doing some detail work. I'm just coming behind what I already did, just walking down, taking some steps back, And as you can see right here is the line I'm going to be working on getting out. It's a little dark area, so this is why detail work is very important and what makes your work look better than anybody else's. So right now we're going to be working on the neck taper. So to start off our first guideline, as we did on the other side, we're going to be setting in our bald line with my Babyliss trimmers, setting in that guideline. So right now I have my Andis mattress all the way open, going up, setting in my next guideline, going up about 1/2 inch. So right here I'm going to be hitting the bottom of that first line that we created to soften it up, so it won't be a harsh line to take out. And as you can see, I set it in harshly with my trimmers flipped the other way. And as I told you when taking out my Andis mattress line, I always start with it halfway open because it's a longer blade. So the distance between closed and open is far, so setting it halfway wouldn't necessarily help me get that line out. So right now I have the clipper all the way closed after I went across, put it halfway closed, and I'm just going to be fading down. So whenever I use my mattress, I fade down within that no guard open area to get that line out. So right now we mostly got this line blending out. I'm just going to be doing some more detail work, so I'll let you guys sit back and watch. So right now, just like I did on the side taper, I took my number 2 guard on and I just went up and cleaned up some bulky areas, fading into the top, not necessarily blending out the line or the side into the top, but just cleaning up some bulk and giving me an area to fade in. And as you guys know, from now we're going to be fading down to finish off this blend. So right after I used the number 2 guard, I came in with my number 1 guard with it all the way closed, going up about 1/2 inch to set in my next guideline. Usually I would have started this with the clipper all the way open, but I just decided to do it closed first and then open it. As you can see right there is when I opened up my number 1 guard, and now I'm going to be fading the number 1 guard open up into the 2 that we did as our first step. So to knock out that 1 guideline that we created with the number 1 guard all the way closed, I'm going to be coming back with the 0 guard, fading out that line to finish off this blend. It won't get it completely out, but after this we're going to come back and do some detail work and finish it off. So I'll let you guys sit back and watch. So like I said, I'm going to come back and do some detail work. As you can see right here, I'm just fading out that bottom line, that little dark area. Just playing with the clipper, playing with the lever, opening and closing it. So just how we did on the side taper, to blend the sides all the way into the top, into the longer hair, I'm going to be doing clipper over comb. And as you can see, clipper over comb is basically just creating some graduation. So basically, as you see the longer hairs that stick out, that means that that's long hair that's unbalanced with the rest of the hair that you need to fix. So right now I have my number 3 guard on, just finishing it off, just hitting the line to make sure every hair is evenly cut, you know, so there's no long or short hairs. So right now we're going to be prepping the hairline for his shape up. I have my number 1 guard on with it all the way open, just going with the grain just to lay the hair down so it'd be easier for me to shape it up. You know, when there's too much hair in the way, it just kind of makes it harder for the shape up to just pop more. So on the shape up, I'm going to be using my Babyliss Gold Effect skeleton trimmers. These are my favorite trimmers to use, and as you can see, they're sharp. They're getting that line in there really crispy. But he also has good hair though, but you know, the lineup always does the job. And as you can see right here on the back of the neck, just smooth, crispy lines. You know, this is one of my favorite things to do on the back of the neck. It just pops, you know, once that taper hits that line, it's just like a smooth transition between that taper and that line. It's just eye candy to me, man. It's like, look at that taper, and then look at the line. They just, you know, together, you know, they just do something. You know what I mean? I know you guys really like it. So right now I'm just going to be doing some detail work on the neck taper. Just, you know, this is like little detail work that I always do to make my work look better. You know, just doing things like this makes your blends look like almost like you can't see where they begin or end. You know, just take the time to really do some detail work and understand what you're doing to more perfect your craft. You know what I mean? So right here, I'm just gonna be cleaning up his face, cleaning up his mustache, shaping up around his goatee, cleaning off up under his neck and everything. You know how this goes. So I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch. So right here, I'm gonna be adding some enhancements to his hairline. I know you guys always be saying that, you know, a lot of people don't need it. He has a super nice hairline, but it's just something about hair fibers that make your haircuts pop. So there's nothing wrong with adding enhancements to an already perfected haircut. It just makes it look way more better. So whenever you have a barber that uses enhancements, just make sure he's a good barber without the enhancements. As you can see, he had a nice haircut, so the enhancements only made the haircut look even better. So right now I'm just shaping up the enhancements, blending it in to make it not look so obvious. And right here, I'm just gonna be putting some holding spray on and just wiping off all the excess spray, you know, so it won't be looking dirty on his forehead. You know, just gotta be clean in everything you do. And right here, I have my cordless seniors doing some detail work. You know, I just did something right here. You know, you guys may not see what I see, but I'm just a perfectionist. So right here, I'm just going to be coming behind the hairline, making sure every hair is gone off the hairline. If you ever do anybody's hairline at the end of the haircut, just make sure you brush the hairline, brush it down, because baby hairs and little hairs that you didn't cut will show. So always go back behind the hairline just to make sure every hair is gone. Just to, you know, be more detailed in your haircuts, you guys. That'll set you apart a lot. So I'm going to end this haircut off by using my Babyliss Gold Effect shaver, my favorite shaver to use to leave a smooth feeling on the skin. It gets every single hair and leaves it super soft. YouTube, this is the cut. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Leave a like and share this with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at Joshxbarber, as seen on the top of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more content. And it's your boy Josh, and I'm out.